Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to compare briefly three cameras that I have here. Now you are watching Canon M50, now you're watching Osmo Pocket, and here we have the GoPro Hero 7. This is again a very quick test. I would like to see how they compare. This is actually a studio-ish environment. I have three soft boxes here. One is there in direct reflecting light to me, the other one is here, and I have another one here, and I just put a couple of lights behind me so that it adds some color into the footage. I kind of tend to look at the Osmo Pocket because it is the one straight in front of me, but now I'm gonna look at Canon M50 because I know how it works. All the video settings are in auto, so I even put the Canon M50 in auto mode. Osmo Pocket is also in auto mode, and of course GoPro Hero 7 is at auto mode. We are recording at 1080p 30 frames per second. The audio will probably come from M50 because there's a Rode Video Micro on top of it. So for the last time, let's give it a check. Okay, here is GoPro Hero 7. Here we have Osmo Pocket, and here we have Canon M50. All the cameras are in auto mode. Everything is auto exposure is shot. We are recording at 1080p 30 frames per second. This is a very quick test. Let me see, we're almost at 2-minute mark here. They're one of the most portable cameras, and they are like the best alternatives for a DSLR when it comes to a vlogging camera or a slim camera in general. Canon M50 was released last year, and it's like notorious for its price budget capabilities. Like, it is offering a good image quality, it's offering many things, and by the way, there's a 22mm lens on top of it. It's not the kit lens, but kit lens would almost do the same, but I think this one is a better f-stop. Apart from that, GoPro Hero 7 is the king of action camera, stabilization tarada, but here in this context there's no need for stabilization, so we're testing the image quality in a similar light environment. Here we have the Osmo Pocket, DJI's tiny thing that went almost viral before Christmas time. Like, it's been appreciated by so many. Some people don't know what's the use of it, and it had so many great firmware updates already. Like, first the autofocus was not even usable in some circumstances, but now it's doing a great job. Now I can see that there's a square in my face, but of course there will be some autofocus breeding because it's such a tiny camera and it still is offering an exposure setting. Next test will be all those cameras in GoPro will be Pro Tune, Osmo Pocket will be using Pro settings, and of course in Canon M50 I'm gonna put some manual exposure. I'm familiar with this setting because Canon M50 is kind of my main camera now. Okay, in the next video you're gonna see the manual settings in both devices, and we're gonna make a more comprehensive test. Thanks for watching this video. Not to miss the next one, do not forget to subscribe. See you on the next one, and arrivederci.